Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we have another exercise that is called the random sentences generator. So use a random number generation to create sentences. Your program should use 4 arrays of pointers to character, and these arrays should be called article, noun, verb, and preposition. Create a sentence by selecting a word at random from each array in the following order: article, noun, verb, preposition, article, and noun. And the arrays should be filled as follows. The article array should contain the articles, the, a, and, going on like that. The noun arrays should contain the nouns. The verb arrays should contain the verbs such as drove, jumped, and so on. The preposition array should contain the prepositions to, from, over, under, and going on like that. As each word is picked, concatenated to the previous words in an array large enough to hold the entire sentence. Separate the words by spaces. The final sentence should end with a period, and then after that generate 20 such sentences. Go on and try to solve this problem on your own and come back to this video for the solution. Hello and welcome back, and this is the solution to the problem that we were discussing about. So as you can see in here that we have our arrays to pointers for articles, for nouns, verbs, and prepositions, and you can see that each one of those articles are included in these arrays. And finally, we would like to have a character array of sentence, which we're going to store all of the generated sentences in this array. Now let's go and start from one of the cases in here. Now let's go and see in here that we have a random number generator. Basically, this random number generator is going to generate numbers between 0 and 4, not 5, 4, because we have 5 elements in each one of these arrays: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and basically index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's why we have used this random number generator to generate a random word from the article. Then we are going to store that here in the sentence, and then we are also going to print that as well. And basically for each sentence, this for is for each sentence. Let's write it down. Each. So basically, because each one of the sentences, they will have 6 words: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our for loop starts from 0, will go until 5, and will increment each time. And basically, let's remove this printf, this is not needed. And basically we are going to switch on each one of those values from for. If it's a 0, then we are going to take a word from articles. If it's going to be 1, we are going to take a word from nouns. And then if it's going to be 2, we're going to take a word from verbs, and we will also print them on the screen, so the numbers are being generated. And between each one of those words there will be going to be a space, and for the last one there's going to be a dot to indicate that the word has finished. And once this for loop has run one time, then we have a new character line, this put string function, to create a new line for the next generation of the sentence. And finally, how many sentences are going to be generated? Basically starting from 1 up to 20. Let's put a equal in here. 20 sentences are going to be generated using this program. Now let's go and run this program. And as you can see in here that we have 20 sentences generated by this program. And that's it for this episode, and I would like to see you in the coming episodes. Stay tuned.